Kent's Monaco. Today's the day. We're gonna get it done. We're gonna drive it. Right, Kent?
I hope.
Kent's excited.
Yeah.
He's got high hopes. He's got me all day till this is done.
Yeah, and then tomorrow I'm gonna drive it over to my house and clean.
Ooh, tomorrow's gonna be a clean day for Kent. Tomorrow's a Wick day for me. I'm still not done doing videos for Wick from last week. It's been quite the productive morning over here on Kent's Monaco. Mounted up our expansion tank. It's aftermarket, but it's fairly stealthy, fairly OE looking, so it's pretty nice. I even mentioned to Kent that the font on the cap was very similar to a 70s Chrysler font, so it blends well. Got our radiator in, we're now full of water, well, coolant, water, you know, not leaking, everything's set. All our hoses are on, all our hoses are clamped. Draining the trans right now, got the oil draining too. And we're gonna finish our plugs and wires, and we will be firing this baby up. So I'm wrapping up the plugs, doing them on the passenger side, and liquid fell out of the box. The old school mileage sticker. How cool is that? All right, we got our plug wires all done. Plugs are in. I've got this thing ready to fire up. Kent walked over to his house because he has some vacuum line. He's gonna grab some. But I'm gonna try to light this puppy right now. Okay, I've got the key in. I pumped it. We're alive! It's alive! It runs! Oh, runs-ish. Alright, gotta figure that out. But we were running. Look what's in the light of day, everybody. Looky here. Kent went to go get some vacuum line real quick. But I fired her up. I moved her. She's kind of dialed in pretty good. She runs pretty nice. Fires right up. Snappy little guy. Kent's gonna be so happy when he gets here. Kent, show us what you got.
Original equipment out of the 70 Monaco.
Right there.
And a replacement from a 71 Monaco.
Thank you, Sean. Look how beautiful that turned out.
Yeah, it took a steel brush to get it that way though. But this one is just shot, as you can see.
It's done.
Yeah.
Awesome. Kent is happy.
Oh yes, that will be a major improvement under the hood.
We're gonna bolt that in, and then we're gonna go for a cruise. All right, we're backing out. Kent's happy.
41,320 miles. Oh my gosh. She picked right up.
Kent's liking it.
Yeah.
Carb is actually responsive. Look how dirty the window is because it's been sitting for 8 months.
Well, and it was dirty to begin with.
Yeah.
Pine needles all over it from DC. Well, she runs really smooth at 10 miles an hour. Let's see if the radio works with the antenna down.
Oh, yeah. Nice. Cruising along with Kent. got some pickup now.
Yeah, it feels really good.
Kent is one happy feller.
We'll drive it over to Valdivia and turn around and come back.
All right. Sounds like fun. Maiden voyage, great success. Success, Kent?
Yes.
Kent is happy.
Yes. I can't wait till tomorrow morning when I can drive it over to the house and wash it.
Oh, he's gonna send me pics. Hopefully just the car. But there it is.